Hailing from the Great White North, Conquest Vehicles of Toronto, Canada, introduces the world's first and only hand-built, fully armoured, ultra-luxurious SUV. Inspired by military vehicle designs and created to provide the ultimate mobile fortress, the Knight XV is guaranteed to turn heads and turn away bullets.
The armored version is actually made of ballistic hardened steel. So we actually make the case and then we bring it over and we set it on top of the chassis, which sits on a Freightliner chassis. It's a Cummins diesel engine, and we can also do them in gas, which would be on a GM. So everything that we make in this vehicle is effectively hand-built.
Before the Knight XV's massive silhouette shocked the automotive world, there were precious few options for the high-net-worth, security-obsessed individual. While standard cars could be customized with aftermarket armor and enhancements, these vehicles had too many weaknesses to truly provide ironclad peace of mind to their owners.
The genesis of the Knight XV really came from the inspiration of a military vehicle. So it took about 2 years from conception and R&D and engineering. We basically tapped into the Canadian resources, Canadian car manufacturing resources, armoring experts, upholsterers, people that we really felt could bring an incredible product to the table. And the end result turned out to be the Knight XV.
Hand-built to include every possible security feature and luxury, the Knight XV utilizes the very best in engineering and technology to create the world's safest SUV.
We have a number of unique properties in the vehicle, from offering clients such options as flat-screen retractable plasma televisions in our entertainment packages, Bluetooth wireless cameras, laptop availability, all the way to our security options, which range from black boxes that you would see in a commercial aircraft, oxygen containment and survival systems that we'll build into it. So really, we have a number of different security options and luxury options that we know that our clients want.
The XV weighs in at a whopping 13,000 pounds, but it's bulk rocket propelled by a V10 engine, which can leave any pursuit in the dust. The XV features an armored body and transparent armor, also known as bulletproof glass. Only the highest quality high-street steel, ballistic aluminum, composites, aramid, and ceramics are used in the manufacturing of the Knight XV's opaque armor. Conquest Vehicles tests all of the Knight XV's armor plate, transparencies, and composites in accordance with the highest quality control standards. Tests are performed at a range of 5 meters using factory ammunition that has been weighed prior to firing to ensure that it meets the required norms. All of the ballistic glass used in the XV is produced by the leading manufacturers of ballistic transparencies. Due to the added weight of the transparent and opaque armor indoors, the door hinges are reinforced, using a proprietary system to completely avoid hinge failure and prevent sheet metal fatigue around the hinge system. The XV features numerous mounted cameras, including several with night vision capabilities.
The Knight XV has 2 cameras on the front, 2 on the back, so the driver at all times can see during the day and at night what's surrounding him.
Thanks to these high-end cameras, XV owners can even remote view their armored mobile monster via their laptop or smartphone if they desire.
From the time that a client places the order to the time that they receive their Knight XV is about an 8-month process. And during the process, what we do is we invite the clients into our production facility in Toronto to view their actual Knight being built at various stages. And if they can't make it, what we do is we're constantly in contact with them. So we're sending them photos of their Knight being built in the process. So it's very exciting for the client to know that a bespoke luxury armored manufacturer will go ahead and take the